just pulling it through your hair, and I'm just like, why? So today I'm going to be reviewing this Easy Detangler brush. I know y'all have seen it before because it is everywhere. How to use: wet your hair with water or moisturize with conditioner. Gently brush vertically from roots to ends. This will massage your roots and detangle those knots. Follow through with Easy Detangler brush horizontally to fully detangle and make those curls pop. So they got a lot of claims here. They're saying that it's going to detangle, it's going to define, it's going to do a whole lot. So let's see what it actually does. So locking clips use. It came with this little thing. So this is like, I guess, the locking clip. So it says locking clip use. Bristle locking clips give the brush versatility. Use the clip on the top line if you have short and thin hair. Use the clip on the bottom line if you have hair that is thick and coarse. Okay, so y'all already see what hair I have. I'm gonna use the bottom row. Why isn't it going in? Oh my god, y'all, I'm struggling with this. This is complicated. Like, why didn't it just make... Well, I guess they actually saved us a lot of money because they could have made two versions of the brush and been like, oh, one for thick hair and one for loose hair. But they made one because if you got a family member that got loose hair and you got thick hair, y'all could both use the brush. Okay, so this is the brush. This is what it looks like once I have inserted the clip. And I think we're ready to wash now. So this is apparently how you're supposed to use the brush. So let's see. Yeah. I don't. As you guys can see, I'm trying the brush for the second time. I'm trying it this time with the LCO method, using the Elasta QP leave-in conditioner and moisture butter. So I'm trying to see if I can soften up my hair, get some slip, put some product on it that'll give it that grip that I'm looking for, especially when I'm detangling. So I just wanted to go in and add some more of that to see if that was why the brush wasn't passing through my hair. So I'm making sure that my hair is fully coated, that it's drenched in conditioner, and that it feels nice and hydrated and ready for detangling. I really want this brush to work, and I want to give it a fair shot, which is why I'm trying it again. And I'm making sure that I section my hair into a smaller section to see if maybe that's the reason. Am I using too much hair in one section, which is why it can't pass through? So let's try this again. Oh, you want to get enough on those ends because the ends are the oldest part of your hair, and you want to make sure that they're coated. All right, let me know if y'all ever have used the Elasta QP line. Is there any products that you would recommend? Okay, this brush is a no.
I'm not even wasting my time with this anymore. Like, my hair is just like going in it and it's not moving.
Yeah, at this point, I was at a loss for words. I cannot believe this brush is doing this right now.
Ads, like,
just pulling it through your hair, and I'm just like, why? I'm gonna try it one more time, but I honestly feel like it's pulling my hair. I'm noticing that even when I use the brush vertically as they said to do, it's not pulling through my hair. Like, it's not grabbing the tangles and detangling them. It's just sitting on my hair, which I don't understand. So I'm probably just gonna try it the horizontal way or something, but I don't know how much more of this brush I can take. Let me know in the comments what you guys' experience with this brush is. I heard so many great things about it, and for some reason I can't get it to work. So I'm willing to try again if I'm doing something wrong, or, you know, like, help me out, y'all. I really wanted to like this brush, but I don't like it. Like, what is this? Yeah, I don't know. This is a no. It's a no. Why tooth gang? Because that brush is a no. Everybody's like, oh my god, that brush is so good, I love it. And I'm just like, let me see y'all use it, because I need a tutorial, because I've been washing my hair all day, and at this point I don't have time to waste anymore. No hair out. Beautiful. Just what we like to see. So y'all know, this brush ran me, I think it was $15 or $10. I'll link it below. But they always have like random sales, and I happened to catch it on sale. This brush took a really long time to come, and I was a little pissed because I had to email customer service like, where is my brush? Like, where's my brush? So then they wrote me back and was like, oh, your brush has been, like, something with like how it's at the post office and it should be delivered, or it was already delivered. And I'm like, whoa, honey girl, my brush never came, so where is it? So like 2 weeks later, the brush finally showed up. So I waited close to a month for this brush, so it better be holy grail. Like, it better come into the whole section I have here and take it over, because I'm not wasting my money on no stupid brush. Sorry, YouTube said I can't say the A word. Sorry guys. But yeah, so, and just so y'all know, they have some fake ones on Amazon. It might not be fake because this brush doesn't look like it's that hard to make, honestly. But yeah, we're not gonna go into that. But yeah, I'll see you guys. I hope this video was helpful for you guys that are wondering about this brush like I was. I personally would not use this brush again because it did not work for me, but it might work for you. I know a lot of people that said this brush worked really well for them. I unfortunately did not have a good experience. That is neither here nor there, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.